Hey, you. Hey, you. Let me rub your tummy. Rub your tummy and your nose. Look how big you are. Look how big you are. I mean, that one's every big as my hand. That one's every big as my hand. Big ones right there. What are we gonna do with all those puppies? Looking so cute. Yes, they are. Sleeping. Look at this one right here. Sleeping like it's sleeping. Got a little paw. Little paw. And then look at this big ball right here. Look at that. Look at that big paw, would you? Oh, that's a little girl. That's a little button. That's a little button right there. That is a little button. I wonder if we can see what this little one is. Oh, there's the other little button. There's the other little button. How about that? I wonder if this is a little button too. No, that's not a little button. So, this one's definitely a little button. This one's definitely a little button. And there's one more, and then the rest are boys. The rest are boys. Look at that little paw, would you? Look at that one, would you? Look at that. I wonder if we can see this one. A little boy. I almost think one of these is the other little girl. Because it's so big. Looking good. Think they're doing good, don't you?
Oh yeah.
Real happy with them. Just sleeping like little angels. Little full angels. Let's see, right out there you can see the sheep. That's where they are out there in the yard. Not far from where the puppies are. Yep. This one over here was kicking its leg trying to get rid of the fly because the fly was bothering him.